Welcome back to my channel. If you are passionate about infrastructure development, major construction projects, and the transformation happening across Nigeria, this channel is the right place for you. At the eastern end of Section 1 of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway, a massive structure is steadily rising above the landscape. This is the Eleko Flyover Bridge, one of the most important interchanges along the Nigerian's ambitious coastal highway project. While much attention has focused on the nearly completed 47.47 km Section 1 roadway, significant work is continuing on the elevated structures that will ultimately connect the various sections of the transformational corridor. Today, we take a detailed look at the ongoing construction of the Eleko Flyover Bridge, its progress since construction began in October 2025, and the current state of work on this critical infrastructure project. Please stay tuned. I'll be right back. Eleko Flyover Bridge is strategically located at the point where Section 1 of Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway terminated and also stretches to where Section 2 begins. Designed as a grade separated interchange, the bridge will provide uninterrupted traffic flow between Section 1 and the future sections of the coastal highway heading towards Ogun State and beyond. This structure is expected to play a major role in easing traffic movement within the rapidly developing Lekki growth corridor, while ensuring seamless connectivity along the coastal route. Construction activities around Eleko Flyover commenced in 2025 as part of the broader infrastructure works associated with Section 1 of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. As the main carriageway advanced rapidly towards completion, construction teams simultaneously began work on the bridge foundation and supporting structure required for the interchange. The project started with extensive site clearing in September 2025. Earthwork, soil stabilization, piling operations, and installation of deep foundation capable of supporting the massive bridge structure. These early engineering activities laid the groundwork for what is now becoming one of the most prominent elevated structures along the entire carriageway. Fast forward to June 2026, the project has made significant progress. One of the most visible achievements so far is the completion of multiple reinforced concrete bridges piers that now stand prominently above the ground level. The alignment of the flyover can already be clearly seen from both approaches, giving the motorist and observer a glimpse of the final structure. Across several portions of this project site, engineers have completed substantial portions of this structural work, including foundation construction and pier development. Heavy-duty construction equipment remains active on site as work continues on additional support columns and preparation for the next phase of construction. The project is now gradually transitioning from foundation and pier construction into bridge superstructure phase. This stage involves the installation of pier caps, beam placement, and eventually the construction of the bridge deck that will carry the traffic above the existing roadway network. Construction teams are working from multiple sections of the alignment, ensuring the progress continues simultaneously across different segments of the interchange. A more structural element are added. The overall shape and the scale of the flyover are becoming increasingly evident. The significance of this flyover extends far beyond the bridge itself. Once completed, the interchange will eliminate traffic conflicts at ground level, improve safety, and allow uninterrupted movement between Section 1 and 2 of Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. The structure will also support growing economic activities across the Lekki Free Trade Zone, Dangote Refinery Corridor, Lekki Deep Sea Port Axis, and the rapidly expanding residential and industrial development around Eleko. For thousands of future road users, the bridge will serve as a vital gateway connecting Lagos to the broader coastal highway network. In the coming months, construction activities are expected to focus on the continuation of the installation of bridge beams, deck construction, approach ramps, retained structure and drainage system, and finishing works. As the superstructure takes shape, projects will begin to resemble the final flyover that motorists will eventually use. With the main carriageway of Section 1 nearing completion, infrastructure enthusiasts are increasingly turning their attention to the structure like the Eleko Flyover, which represents the next phase of progress on Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. From foundation works in 2025 to the rising bridge pier visible today, the Eleko Flyover Bridge continues to make steady progress towards completion. Although significant work remains ahead, the project has already become one of the most recognizable structures at the end of Section 1. Also something to look out for at the beginning of Section 2. As the construction advances into the superstructure phase, this flyover is steadily transforming from an engineering blueprint into a critical transportation link that will connect sections of the Nigerian's largest highway project. The coming months promise even more visible progress as the bridge deck begins to emerge above the landscape. This is where I will stop for now. If you enjoyed this update, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification for more exclusive updates on Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway and other major infrastructure projects across the country. For support and collaboration, details are in the description below. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.